Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notification from the Google app on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to go down and tap on notifications. Then you want to go down and tap on the more button in the recently sent section. In here, you tap on Google, and at the top here, you can tap on the show notifications switch to turn it on or off. Now, once it is switched off, you will not see anything. Or if you switch it on, then there are more items becomes available. Now you can go down here and turn each of these items on or off individually. So let's say instead of turning off all notifications from Google app, you can instead just turn off, say, play media or show notifications in the web browser activity. And that's it. So that's how you can turn them on or off. Now you can see if you go down the list here, there are a lot of different notifications from different services. So you got task reminders, miscellaneous, entertainment, shopping, sports. So if you're not interested in anything to do with entertainment or shopping or sports, you can simply switch them off, but leave other items on. And that's it. And finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.